que viene gente importante.
Hey, what's up guys? We're back at it again with another vlog. Right now we're gonna go ahead and drop the truck off for an alarm. I was offered some good money for the truck from some guy in Houston. It was a very tough decision, but I had to say no. So I'm gonna keep continuing to build my truck till it comes out the way I want it to look. And maybe if they offer the right price, once it's done, I'll sell it. But for now, let's get it going.
Festejaré mi cumpleaños traigan cos y cantante. Quiero que toque.
Alright guys, we're on the way to pick up the truck right here. My Uber driver, the Tahoe. Let's get it. Alright guys, so we finally picked up the truck. I'm gonna show you how the alarm works. The homie Edgar Martinez, y'all can hit him up on Facebook. He does alarms and window conversions and all types of stuff, LS swaps and everything. He really got down. He connected my train horn because my other horn wasn't working, so I put a train horn on it for now. He connected the train horn to the alarm, so when it goes off you can also hear the train horn. So let's go ahead and check it out. So the dope thing is that when we turn on the truck, it also turns on the radio. So let's go ahead and connect real quick. So it's connected right there. So there it is guys. So let's go ahead and turn off the alarm. The truck, I mean. Alright guys, yeah, I got to see the alarm working. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see y'all till the next video.
El cachorro, así ordenó el ayudante Sergio Vega y los cadetes.